Hey, what's up guys? This is Jason with Buddha Farms coming to you Memorial Day, May 28th, 2018. Alright guys, it's Monday, but it is a holiday, Memorial Day, as I just stated. This past weekend was pretty good. I did a lot of barbecuing. I had a last minute order on late Friday that I had to get ready and for Saturday morning actually. But everything came out well. Everybody enjoyed it. I got a bunch of quick orders online that worked out well when I made the shout out to everybody, and everybody was pretty accommodating and happy to purchase. So I made a bunch of deliveries Saturday, Sunday night, or Saturday night for Sunday. I went ahead and I cooked a couple of shoulders as well and brought that to the Beta Springs Farmers Market, and it seemed like that was a big hit too. Pretty close to sold out of a lot of it. I think I had like a quarter or a half a pan left, so not that much. So that was a pretty good turnout. So I'll probably be doing that, or not probably, I'll definitely be doing that every Sunday at a Beta Springs Farmers Market from 12 to 4. So if y'all want to come out there, you can hit me up. That's I have another company, that's Smoking Buddha Barbecue, the Smoking Buddha Barbecue. If you want to go check them out on Facebook, hit me a like and follow and all that good stuff. But anyway, so with the market, we sold well, but we do have some leftovers. We have some leftovers, some eggplant. I have a bunch of zucchini. I have some tomatoes that didn't sell, and they're ripe, and they're getting to that point. So I'm going to take you along, and what we do with those is we're going to eat them. So if they don't sell, we're going to at least eat them and use them and do the best that we can with them. So for the tomatoes, I'm going to go ahead and blanch them, peel them, chop them up, put them in the freezer, and the next time we make a sauce or a salsa or something like that, we'll have the fresh tomatoes for there. And also we're going to my in-laws in a little while, and I'm going to do just some barbecue chicken and stuff like that. So I'm going to slice up that eggplant and zucchini, and we'll go ahead and grill those. They really came out well every time I do it. Actually, I haven't really done the eggplant like that, so I'm kind of excited to try that. Yesterday my mom actually bought some eggplant from me, and I went over there after the market and we fried that up, and that was pretty good too. Also, she had some zucchini and summer squash that we fried up as well, and that was really awesome. It was like a little squash chip. It was really good. So anyway, I'm gonna take you along, show you what we're doing with that, and I hope y'all get some information, something else to try. If y'all have any other ideas that y'all like to do with your squash or eggplant or leftovers or whatever you got, throw them at me, let me know. But go ahead and sit back, and I'll show y'all what we do with them. Thanks guys. Hey, what's up guys? Hope you all enjoyed the tomato side of this. What we're doing now, I'm at my in-laws. I'm barbecuing outside, so I'm going to show you what we did. We sliced up the zucchini I had left over, and I'm also skinning, or I peeled the eggplant and slice that up, and we're gonna go ahead and throw it on the grill. Now, I barbecue as well, and please forgive me. This is my in-laws grill, and it's a propane, so I pretty much only cook on charcoal. But this is gonna do what I needed to do, and I'll give propane its props, because it does have a very consistent, easy cook, and you don't have to worry about flare-ups and all that craziness. So I'm going to take you down here. We're going to throw the eggplant on there and the zucchini, and I also got some chicken already on there going away. All right, guys, I'm gonna take you down. All right, guys, if you can see, I already got the chicken on here. We got some little metal trays. That's going to make it easier for you know, to toss the vegetables up. So this is the eggplant. I have some regular like the black beauties, and then these are the pink lady, or the fairy tales. It's a little longer, little pink eggplants. So I'm going to dump those in there. Come on. Let me get my little tongs here. I'm gonna let those go, so you can see that. They're in there, right there. So this is just olive oil, salt, and pepper on these and the zucchini. There's a zucchini there. I just sliced it up. I didn't peel it because I don't, and it comes out nice. Just olive oil, salt, and pepper. That's all it really is. I'm gonna toss that in this pan right here. That pan's heavy now. So it doesn't have a lot of room, but it'll be enough to cook everything. And we'll toss everything around. Let it cook nice and even. Yeah, everything's looking good. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope that was helpful. If y'all can go ahead and like and subscribe, all that fun stuff, and leave a comment. Let me know what y'all like to do with y'all vegetables, if y'all like to do anything different. Most of the time, we just kind of slice them up, throw them in the oven with some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and enjoy them, because they're good just like that. You don't really need to add anything fancy to them, cook anything, sauces or anything like that. They're good just that way. So go ahead and do that for me. Leave a comment. Let me know what y'all do with them, and I'll try to get back to y'all. Appreciate y'all following. Bye.